In Season 3 of MyStory, meet Mary, who embraces change and shares with you this special moment in her professional life. Discover her doubts, her stress, her thoughts, and her learning. Follow her and learn from her experience. When your manager announces a change that you haven't seen coming. Meet Clara, the manager who believes her announcement of new challenges will bring you joy. When your colleague brings more stress than solutions. That's Chris, the colleague who amplifies doubts and fears. When you must launch the product of the year stepping into the unknown. Meet Jimmy, the unknown who is worth knowing. When things are going well or when things are not going well. Say hello to Cami and Amber, the positive colleagues who boost your self-confidence. In Sega's MyStory, learn to take on new challenges via concrete, common or exceptional situations. Test your reactions, your emotional intelligence, your creativity and your adaptability by engaging with colleagues you meet every day. MyStory is 100% interactive, based on the concept of learning by doing and rigorous analysis of business practices. Each episode provides immediate assessment of your observations and expert feedback. Validate your own knowledge thanks to a final quiz and build your skills quickly with memo sheets that will help you reinforce the learning. Join Mary, Clara, Chris, Jimmy, Cami and Amber in one click and benefit from our observations and practical advice to learn how to manage change as well as you've always dreamed of. Segas, you know what you need. Learn it.